So hey guys, welcome back to my channel Samhita Vestrati. So in today's video it's going to be the DIY video. This is my first DIY video. So it's a very special video event. We have shifted to our new house and there's a plain wall near the stairs. So we want to decorate the plain wall into an attractive and creative wall. So for that we are planned for something different and I've got these two rings. So with this I thought of doing this cycle, keeping these as a wheels and making the cycle because we have a limited place over there. So there I thought the cycle will be perfectly fit. So I'm trying something new. Hope it turns out well and hope it will be useful for you for making your room or home look attractive. So I'm using these jute ribbons for making cycle. This I purchased from Amazon. So my mother chose orange for making this, so I'm making with orange, and I'm using hot glue gun so that it will be perfectly fit into that and never be coming up. Or you can, or else use the tape. It's up to your choice, but I'm using hot glue gun. So yeah, let's get into the video. Even you require a scissor for this. Let me do that. So yeah, I've used extension blocks because plug is far from me. So yeah, let me on the switch and till that time this hot glue will be on and I can cut the old jute. Yeah. So guys, be careful while you are using hot glue gun. If you are a small child, you have to definitely take the help of your adult, because in case if it touches to your hand, then it pains a lot, because I have experienced it so many times and I am telling to you. So let me till that time open this ribbon, and first I'm taking one wheel and then the other. So taking this wool and I'm going to paste it like this. One, like you take a little extra so that if you wish you can again paste it inside. So let me cut till that so yeah, this is one way. I've cut a little extra. If you don't want, you can again cut it off after you do everything. Then this way we have to take one vertical and one horizontal. So yeah, it comes like this, one vertical and one horizontal, and two you have to take it in an alternate manner. So yeah, in this way, and under the under. So yeah, for pasting. So let's go. Let's see is our glue ready or not. So yeah, my hot glue is out. I'm keeping hot glue over here and over here. Keep more hot glue, it's fine. It's fine to keep more hot glue because more hot glue it sticks perfectly. So yeah, I'm going to stick it. So one side I have pasted it, the other side also I'll be pasting it. See the correct line or else that doesn't look perfect. Because hot glue once pasted will not get again, we can't open it. Yeah, so it had turned it out like this. So now let's do the other side. Continue this step till you finish pasting all the 4 threads, and here you paste the tape at the middle, because there pasting hot glue is a little difficult. So there you complete it with the tape. So guys, I'm again telling, don't dare to touch the hot glue. It pains a lot. I've experienced my experience. I'm telling you guys. It's up to your wish. If you want to stick it, you take some scissor or like this any tool and stick that. Because I also done it with the hand. That pained me a lot. That's what I'm telling. So I have the last thread left, so I'm doing even that. Yeah. So this pasting is completed, and now you just leave it aside. You do for the other wheel and then paste this tape. And you can cut this extras, or else you can keep it inside, but I'll be cutting that afterwards. Let this be dry. I'm taking the other wheel. Repeat the same steps as I told you for the first. This is a little bit got disturbed, but yeah, we can arrange it while keeping the tape. So yeah, perfect. Now turn it and paste one more tape. Paste it on the paste on the tape that you have pasted the other side, because it does not stick to you otherwise. So cut it. Cut the extras as we are done for the previous wheel. So hey guys, our two wheels are ready. One second, finally this tape is looking a little ugly, but yeah, fine. So the two wheels for cycle are ready. Now we have to go near a wall and set this how we are going to. So yeah, definitely go to the Amazon products and check it out, because they are a super products. This is not the promotion, but yeah, I'm telling you because I like the product so much, because I purchased this and many more from Amazon, because now it is the time that we have to explore the new things, because there's like this lockdown time. It says no lockdown, but the corona period we can't go out, so I'm ordering the things and making the beautiful, like best out of the waste. So yeah guys, let's go. And you can extra glue where you stick it, you can take it out, because hot glue comes out after you, instance comes out means the this kind of things comes out, so you can take them out. They look more attractive. So yeah, my two wheels are ready. Let's go. So guys, let's go near the wall now and then decorate it. So I'm very scared and very excited even, because how it turns out, because the first time I'm doing something in a great phase, like instance on the wall. Normally I do on the paper drawing stuff, but yeah, hoping this will come perfectly. So let's go. So guys, I have selected this picture. You can see, yeah, this cycle I'm going to do over there. So yeah, let's go. Can't wait. Guys, this cycle which I made the last day, I have like missed the two clippings of the video. I don't know where they had got managed, so I'm so sad about that. So guys, I'll be explaining how to do that part which I missed it. Hope you understand it. I'm really sorry guys, I can't do anything. I had searched a lot for that, but I'm not able to find. So I've done the cycle now. I doesn't want to disturb it by taking it out, so I'll be just explaining the part which I missed. That's a simple part, hope you understand it. And I missed the seat part and one triangle side part. So let me show the seat I have to show you, so you'll be understanding. So let me show you seat. So as you know, I have took this brown color for the seat. So first what we have done for the handle, same thing I have to do for this even. Just take this, fold it. 1, 2, like you go on folding like this till you get a bunch of it. So yeah, do this. I was very disappointed by seeing that I missed that part, but yeah, we can't do anything. So yeah, suppose you think there's a bunch of it, so yeah, you have to make more. So for handle we have just left it in this way, but for the seat you paste the tape over here. So I brought the tape. So at the one end you paste the tape, pasting it in this side, and at the other end you take this out. Wait a second. Yeah, take this way out. So you paste in, you got in this way. So now let's go near the wall and I'll show you how to do it. So guys, as here you can see this part I had missed it. So till here the circle I have showed you, and inside this circle I have took the grey color. So this one you have to do the same as which one we have done for the wheel. I have showed you how to do the wheel. So the same thing you have to do here also. And from here, the big circle center to the small circle center, I have to paste one more thread. This is a chain for the side. You have to paste one more thread as shown over here. So this one also I took grey because this I took grey. So this one also I took grey. So this I have to paste here. And this triangle part, I have took a big thread alone. So after taking big thread, I have pasted, I have like folded it into two halves. So after I folded it in two parts, then I pasted one part in near this thread, near the grey thread, and one more in the center of the small circle. And this is the part that I missed you. Hope you understood it. I'll explain it again. This center, the small circle you have to make same as the wheel which I showed you already. And from here, from the center of the big circle to center of small circle, you have to paste one more thread which is in grey color, which is chain for the cycle. And then if you come to a triangle part, I have took the big thread and then folded it into half. Then the two equal parts have been pasted, one near the grey thread and other near the center of the circle. So this is a part I missed. And then the seat. This seat, as I already made you, I'll show you. Wait. So this is what I've made it. So I'll be just putting here and show to you how it looks. So yeah, this way you have to keep it. 1 second, these threads are not perfect. Yeah. So it is same as this only. The tape where I pasted, this is this part, and then this one you have to take this out in this way. Yeah, you have to take this part in this way, and then this one is this side. You have to keep this one, and then this part you have to paste one tape here and one tape here. So that's it. Hope you understood this part. As I have already done, I've showed you. So yeah guys, and this one, the handles before I've left it hanging, but now I've kept it in the J shape form. It's up to you wish. You can leave the handles, but my mother told that they did not look good, so I've pasted it in J shape form, this too. So that are the small changes and these are the things which I missed. I explained to, hope you understood. So that's it. See the remaining part of the video. hey guys, finally I completed this cycle. I'm hoping that it had turned out well and perfect. You have to let me know in the comment section how it's it and how it turned out. So yeah, you can try it if you want. And something you make you make with your hands that makes you super happy, which made me now super happy. So like yeah, the starting, as I told you, I'm excited and even scared, but now I'm like chill out and relax because that turned out perfectly, because something that we are doing in a big scale, that should be turned out well. But yeah, if you fail once also, the second time you'll absolutely get well. So don't worry if you fail once, the second time is always waiting for you for the success. So yeah guys, I had completed my cycle, so I have to show to my parents and I have to get their comments even how is it. So yeah, I asked their permission and I took their permission to make this, so I have to show to them this one. And yeah, that's it. I'm ending this video over here. Hope you liked this video and enjoyed, and hope this video is helpful for you. Even you can try it if you wish. So that's it guys. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon, which is the subscribe button, like which you upload, get the notification. So guys, yeah, finally. So I'll be adding the pictures of that cycle at the end of the video. You can check it. Bye guys, see you in another video.